Well, greetings everybody. This is kind of an SOS. SOS. I need some help here. We just rescued this bird. Actually, my husband did last night. And, he wakes up, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 hours later than I do. And when he woke up, he told me there was a bird in the closet. I was like, what? So apparently he rescued this bird. Let me bring this one up. I need you guys to tell me what kind of bird this is. Oh God, of course this is Facebook. Hold on. Okay, so please tell me what kind of bird is this. I'm going to go through the slides and then I'm going to play you a video. We don't know what to feed it. Alright? We don't know what to feed it. Please tell me what kind of bird this is. What is that? I mean, sorry about it being blurry, but you can tell it's not a sparrow. What is it? We have it in a cat carrier right now. And we're taking care of it. There, see? That's my hand. This is today. We have him in a cat carrier, and I put this right here, the stick in there, to get him to perch on it, or her. I already think it's a her, and I've already named her Kiwi. Look at that. In my hands. No, it looks like I'm holding her tight, but I'm not. She's not in distress. I mean, she is, but she can't fly. And we're going to keep her until she can fly. What kind of bird is this? Please. Please. How do we feed this one? It has downy feathers, so it's young. You can see it hasn't quite developed its tail feathers. And it does have downy on it. So it's not a brand new baby, but it's shedding its downy into becoming an adult. And when I approach it, it opens its mouth for food. And multiple suggestions have been thrown my way and nothing has worked. So right now my husband's out. My husband is out buying live bait, worms. Okay? I want to get to the video part. Alright? So hold on. The bird. Okay, we have him out here in this cat carrier. Let's see. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Right in there. Poor little guy cannot fly. Okay. Oh, look, see, he's an awful cute. Look at that. We just tried to see if he could fly, but he can't fly. We had him in the house in the closet, and I thought John and I should put him out here, her. And look at that, it's making some progress. And I put a stick perch in there. But I thought it would be better if this bird were out in the environment. Alright. I mean, he wasn't chirping inside the house. So we got bird seed in there, water bowl. He's already taken a bath in that, by the way. It's gross. But he can't fly. We just tried. So, there he is, my friends. She. Oh, there she's chirping for you. Chirp, 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 chirp. Come on. Keep trying those wings. See, it wasn't chirping inside. We brought it out here, and it started chirping away, and the other birds started chirping back, and you know, this is pretty cool. You saw a couple close-ups. See if he'll come close again. Hey, you. Hey, guy, girl. Look at that. See, trying really hard to fly. There's a stick up there as a perch. That's when we're going to know that this bird's wings work. Is when we see it on that stick right there. That stick right there. When we see it on that stick. We haven't done the ground beef watery thing yet. We're trying to figure out how to administer it. Cheryl. Okay, Cheryl. What kind of bird is this?
Natalie? Karen? Anybody? What kind of bird is that? Isn't he precious? But it looks like she might be with us for a little while. You can hear the birds talking back and forth. Now listen for a little while. See, it's walking fine. He's trying. So, just so you know, he's not totally encaged. This is the top. Right here. Okay, there's the birdseed, the water. Yeah. See the water dish with a cat at the bottom of it? I'm sure he likes that. But this is the upper view. Okay, oh, he's down by the door.